Welcome an advanced foldable smartphone that provides a unique user experience versatile. With its innovative foldable design. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. However, we note that there will be a change in the timing of uploading videos, which will be every Wednesday from every week. The phone is distinguished by its strong and superior performance thanks to the leading Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor used. Supports shooting 8K videos and a 50-megapixel camera. The front has 4 plus 10 megapixels. It has two foldable AMOLED screens that support a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, which guarantees you a distinctive and vivid view, in addition to a full screen experience without edges, as the front camera is buried under the screen and does not affect the display. Screen, first, 7.6 inches. External, 6.2 inches. The latest Android 13 operating system with the Samsung interface dedicated to the Fold, One UI 5.1.1, which has been greatly developed. The hinge has been developed and the phone now closes completely on itself without any gaps. Samsung's thinnest and lightest fold to date, with IPX8 water resistance, strong materials, and Gorilla Glass 2 protection on all phones. Supports loud and distinctive stereo sound. He comes with 12GB RAM. Interior space 256, 512 or 1000GB. Phone weight 253 grams. Disadvantages of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 Mobile. The battery size has not been developed and is 4400 mAh. The charging speed has not been developed and the charger is not included in the box. The phone supports the S Pen stylus designated for fold phones, but you will still need to purchase it separately with the cover, as the stylus does not come inside the device. The performance of the cameras is very good, but the hardware of the cameras has not been improved over the previous generation. The external screen is still not wide enough. In general, there are no major developments about the Samsung Fold 4 except for the use of a more powerful processor and the development of the hinge. Despite Samsung's improvements in phone design and advanced folding technologies, the folding area is still noticeable on the large screen. If you finished the video until the end, thank you very much. Just like that, the video is finished. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share.